Some more concepts. Some of them we have seen already. Attaching the debugger to a running application, we have seen that. We have attached windbg to a notepad, and we have frozen the notepad. We have seen that. Starting an application from the debugger, that's also we have seen. Dump analysis, taking a dump, we have not seen that. But we discussed this point. So dump analysis is very similar to live debugging, just that you cannot go backward and forward. You can only execute command on that particular instance. You can type any command like k, dtdv, all the commands we're going to learn, we can execute on dump analysis. I can just quickly show you how to collect a dump and how to open a dump, probably after explaining these concepts. Debugger states, we have seen the running states. When the program is running, we can't execute anything. Any commands, the command window is disabled when the program is running. A lot of options were disabled. When the program is broken into the debugger, when the program was frozen and broken into the debugger, we could have executed any command into the debugger and affect the state of the program. That is the different state of the debugger. Debugger UI, we have seen different UI. Only command UI we will be using to type commands. Rest of the UI is just for display purposes, for completion. Now, types of different dumps: hang dump, crash dump, kernel, user, time travelers dump. Crash dump, everything is a crash dump at the end of the day. But normally when we say crash dump, we will have a valid second chance exception. I'll explain what is a second chance exception. Crash dump will have a crashing application which is not handled. That problem has not been handled inside the application, and it is leaving the operating system to handle it. That is crash. We will see in tremendous details this particular process. Hang is again a program is hung or ridiculously slow. That is the state of hang. So an operating system is very slow to do something. That is a hang, or it is not responding to at all. A program is hang. All those things we will see. Then there is user dump and kernel dump. We have seen the user mode application. We have not seen the user dump. When we take a dump, when we save the state of a user mode application, it's a user dump, which has very less information compared to a kernel dump. Kernel dump is the complete memory of the entire system, a full kernel dump I'm talking about, and that will have all the processes running in the system along with the kernel. Time travelers tracing is similar to user dump, but you can go back and forth in the debugger.